Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Allium Cepa. Full name Allium Cepa. Common name onion. Short name Allium Cepa. Source: fresh red bulbs, vegetable kingdom. Pathogenesis: causes irritation of conjunctiva, mucous membrane of nose, respiratory and gastrointestinal tract, producing acute catarrhal inflammation and profuse discharge. It also causes neuralgia and inflammation of veins. Relation with heat and cold of Allium Cepa. Very hot patient. Constitution of Allium Cepa. Being an acute remedy, consideration of constitution not so important. Temperament of Allium Cepa not available. Miasms, Psora. Diathesis of Allium Cepa. Easily affected by damp northwestern cold wind. Getting wet from salad and cucumber, etc. Words: warm room, wet feet, singing, damp weather, spring, evening, eating spoiled fishes, cucumber and salads. Better: cool open air, bathing, motion. Generalities of Allium Cepa. It affects mucous membrane of nose, eyes, larynx, bowels, causing increased secretions, burning and stitches in the eyes, nose, mouth, throat, bladder, skin, etc. Nasal secretion, acrid secretion of eyes bland. This is very interesting to note. Nasal secretion acrid, secretion of eyes bland. Neuralgic pain shooting as if fine as a thread following injuries to the nerves or amputation or other surgical operations. Traumatic chronic neuritis. That is very important thing. Traumatic chronic neuritis. There are very few medicines of traumatic chronic neuritis in homeopathy. One of them is Allium Cepa. You will be astonished to know that Allium Cepa is simply an onion medicine made out of onion juice is Allium Cepa, and that is curable in chronic traumatic neuritis. Symptoms go from left to right. Singer's coryza, neuroma. Neuroma is nerve tumor. Senile gangrene, sensation of glowing heat in different parts of the body. Mental symptoms of Allium Cepa. Fear that pain will become unbearable. Fear that pain will be unbearable. This fear is the symptom. Melancholy. Head symptoms of Allium Cepa: aching in forehead, extending to eyes and face. Better from pre-coryza or menses. Returns when flow ceases. Electric shock passes through head, skull becomes numb. Eye symptoms of Allium Cepa: much burning and smarting. Profuse bland lacrimation, words from coughing. Note, I have made it block and underlined. Why? You will be clear very soon. Profuse bland lacrimation, words from coughing. Want to rub the eyes? Near objects seem distant while yawning. Ear symptoms of Allium Cepa: aching extending to throat. Nose symptoms of Allium Cepa: frequent violent sneezing. Coryza with acrid fluent discharge with burning and smarting of nose. This symptom and the previous eye symptom, profuse bland lacrimation, words from coughing. Just compare this and try to remember this important thing. Eye discharges are bland. Nasal discharges are acrid in case of Allium Cepa. Nose drips, sensitive to odor or flower. And the skins of peaches. Acrid discharge when singing, also acrid. Nose. Face symptoms of Allium Cepa: paralysis of the left side. Look at the paralysis of the left side. The left side is paralyzed. This picture is correct. This is normal almost. This left side is paralyzed, so it has drooped. the nerve tone is lost, so the mouth has dropped down. Throat symptom from Allium cepa: rawness of throat, pain extending to ears, dripping to uvula, sensation as if a lump in throat or one has swallowed a large lump. Stomach symptoms of Allium cepa: craving for raw onion, which agree. Pain in the region of pylorus. Note the pylorus region of the stomach. Pylorus. Prickling perspiration on bald vertex, worse after each meal. Voracious appetite with thirst, nausea and irritations. Abdomen symptoms of Allium cepa: rumbling, offensive flatus, flatulent colic, worse from sitting motion, glowing heat in rectum. Male symptoms of Allium cepa: pain in bladder and prostate gland after coition. Female symptoms of Allium cepa: phlegmasia alba dolens after instrumental delivery. This is the picture of phlegmasia alba dolens. This is a very serious disease. It happens when there is surgery or any abdominal injury and the deep femoral vein, deep or superficial femoral vein of the leg is blocked. So when the vein is artery is blocked, there is trouble in flowing normal blood in the leg. As such, the leg becomes swollen and gradually becomes what should I call? There may be severe sepsis of the particular leg, and so the starting, the whole leg becomes whitish. Whitish. This is called phlegmasia alba. Alba means white. Dolens. This is generally happens after instrumental child delivery or any injury during abdominal surgery. From that injury it may happen. Urinary symptoms of Allium cepa: copious urine with coryza, strangury after wet feet, dribbling of urine of old people. Respiratory symptoms of Allium cepa: incessant hoarseness, hacking, tickling, cough, worse from inspiring cold air with a sense as if larynx is split and torn, must grasp it. Cough, so troublesome that they want to hold back the cough. Larynx, very much painful when talking. Bronchitis in old people. What is bronchitis? Note this, here is the lung. This is trachea and it divides into two main bronchus. And then this bronchus is further divided into primary, secondary, etc. bronchus. Inflammation of that bronchus is called bronchitis. This is normal bronchus. Note the lumen, the big lumen. When there is bronchitis, the lumen is blocked because there is secretion in the wall of the bronchus, and that is for inflammation. There is bronchitis, and the patient suffers from mainly pain in the chest, cough, burning sensation, etc. That is bronchitis. So extremity symptoms of Allium cepa: joints feel lame, skin rubbed off by shoes, especially on the heels, limbs, especially arms, feel sore and tired, sore feet from long walking. Skin symptoms of Allium cepa: red streak running up, phenomenon of lying in woman. Lying in woman means actually women after delivery. Sleep symptoms of Allium cepa: yawning in deep sleep or with headache and drowsiness, cramp in stomach. Complementary medicines: phosphorus, pulsatilla, theridion. Related medicine: euphorsia, gelsemium, caliiode. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening, viewing. Any problem, write down in the comment section. I would certainly attend.